Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review of Hasbro's BEYBLADE Burst Turbo Slingshot. Lava X Anubis A4 D54 TB01-S balance type and Spiral Treptune T4, which is D28 TS13-S. Yeah. So here's the stats. For Anubis, we have 3 for attack, 1 burst, 4 defense, 2 weight, 4 agility, 7 stamina. And for the stamina type, Treptune, 0 attack, 1 burst, 4 defense, 8 on the weight, 1 agility, and 9 for stamina. So here is Anubis, or Lava X Anubis A4. So the energy layer is called Lava X Anubis A4. Pretty much it's still Anubis. I can't really make out what its little thing inside its head is for its little gem. But it is part of the old school one, just recolored with a little bit of glitter thrown in, like one there for the face. Here is the back for its QR code. The disc is 5, which we've seen 5 tons of times. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5. It's a 1-star disc. And let me scroll down my phone to see what the driver is called. So they say performance tip, but performance tip for this driver is Fusion S. So we have the F for Fusion, and then it's S. So it goes from the spike mode, and if we twist it the right way, there we go, pull it up and twist it, it goes into a flat mode. So flat to a spike, which is not bad. I mean, the original Anubis was Anubis Y, which was yellow, and an orbit, so O. Or maybe it was, maybe I got that one. Maybe it was Y for, maybe the driver was named O, and the disc was Y. But I'm pretty sure it was Y on the driver. I don't know, I think it was backwards. I don't know, I don't have Anubis. The original one, kind of want to. I know Walgreens still has it, Yeah, I probably should put that one up. Because it spelled out something cool like, Lowell, you only live once, which is kind of cool. Because you know how Sony Space, if you let their parts, especially in the first one, when Beyblade Bursts first start coming out, and you let the Japanese Takari Tomy ones, the parts spell like different things like a cell, death, kill, and you're like, what? I thought these were for kids, you know? And then we have this one, which is Treptune. No, it's Spirit Treptune T4 8 Wedge S. So the energy layer right here is called Spirit Treptune T4. Kind of a big layer, but all it is big plastic. No real weight to it. There's its QR code. So if we look at it, it is kind of the evolution of Triton's Claw. But they call it Treptune something here in America for the Hasbro one. But it is definitely Triton's Claw if you look for as the prize bay. I don't remember what Random Booster was. I want to say like 6 or 8. Random Booster 6 or 8 from Takari Tomy. This was known as, Triton's Claw. And here you may Treptune. And here we kind of see more of the whole Triton going on with the head, and definitely one there. Still has the same eyes and same little face. Just represent more down there in the middle. This time it got some orange to go along with its yellow and black. More translucent than, solid yellow. No white bits on there. Like clear white bits. But yeah, this one is definitely an upgrade to this one, It just like evolved. It's like this one evolved to this one. So yeah. Then our forged disc we have here is number 8. Represented by 4 on this side and 4 on this side. Which each one of these look like little 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eights. And then let's see, what is our driver called? Performance tip or driver is called Wedge. Let's see, my phone just messed up on me. Wedge S. I don't know how good you can see that symbol in there, but it just looks like, I don't know, if you hold it like this way, it kind of looks like a finger getting ready to push a button. Except there's like no button. I'm not really sure how its thing works. So let's go here and into the instruction manual. So Treptune just says push to slide. Okay, so it has a slide gimmick. Instead of the whole twist, pull, twist, like how this one had it, they kind of went with the second version. So we just let here on the side here, and we push it, and now it becomes a metal hole flat. That's like a metal performance tip of a hole flat slash kind of like tower height almost, and then we push it back the other way, and then we got a spike. Not much of a spike. I mean, really, the spike doesn't even do anything. It's just the little teeny tiny tip of it. I mean, heck, a 2-pit has more of a spike on it than this thing. And that's, yeah, I have no idea. But that is Wedge S. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Because I think this video might be in 2 parts. Hopefully I could let this go in one, shot, but as you know how my camera is, it likes to split things up into 2 or 3 parts and stuff. So we're gonna try Beyblade with them in first round in their standard driver modes. They came out the box, and then swap it on over to their special driver modes. Now, to tell you the truth on something, I don't know why they start with Anubis. You think they'll go with another one. Maybe they'll go with Sap. Oh, wow. Treptune just burst. Huh. Okay, so let's figure out how we twist this. Get that up. Twist that. Yeah, like I was saying, why do we still keep on having Anubis? How come we don't have Seth, like another Egyptian god? We have Horus, we have Anubis, what about Seth? Oh, and then we have Sphinx, so we have Sphinx, Horus, Anubis, what about Seth? And I'm sure there's probably other Egyptian gods out there, but yeah, why not? So the drivers have been changed.